know my actual
running
law.
from the police.
I don't have to answer any questions. You know what the penalty for assault on an actual CIA agent is? Because I have a clue that you're going to actually find out.
Ma'am? How you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
All right, can you stay right here? Explain to me what you were doing down there?
Yeah, I'm grabbing my stuff, actually.
What stuff?
This.
Can you stay right here? Wait. Not free to go. Ma'am, you gotta stay right here.
For what reason?
You gotta stay right here.
I'm not being detained.
Yes, you are.
For what reason?
You don't live here. You're trespassing.
I'm getting my stuff. This is actually mine.
Okay, well,
so I grabbed my stuff and now I'm leaving.
You're not leaving. You're being detained right now.
No.
Ma'am.
I'm not being detained.
Yes.
I haven't.
Ma'am, stop right here.
I haven't done
Ma'am.
anything.
Ma'am.
Get your hands off of me. Get off of me. Leave me alone. Stop grabbing me.
Ma'am.
I do not do
Please.
anything at all. Why are you arresting me?
You're under arrest.
For what reason? I didn't trespass. I grabbed my stuff.
Your hands behind your back.
I grabbed my stuff. No.
Ma'am, please just work with us here. So wait, you said it has to be, please.
Why are you trying to arrest me? No. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Can I talk to you about it?
Yep.
Can you please stop?
Stop resisting. Ma'am, please.
Why are you arresting me?
Just work with us. Come on. We'll tell you.
Why are you arresting me though? I grabbed my stuff.
Work with us, please. All right, just work
You're
with us.
hurting my hand. I didn't even do anything.
Ma'am, just stop moving.
It's ridiculous that you're arresting me right now.
From another unit.
For what reason are you arresting me?
Yeah, he's on 37 right
What reason are you arresting me? What reason are you
Stop
arresting me?
moving. Stop resisting.
Why are you arresting me?
Ma'am, please stop resisting.
I didn't do anything at all.
Brittany.
Why are you arresting me?
Brittany.
How do you even know my name?
Because we talked to you before.
No. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going home. Let me go. Let me go.
Ma'am.
Let me go. Let me go.
Ma'am, please.
Let me go.
On the sidewalk over here.
No.
Stop moving.
Why are you arresting me? Why are you arresting me? Why are you arresting me? No. No. Get off me. Why are you arresting me? Why are you arresting me? No.
Hands behind your back.
No.
Ma'am,
No.
use your hands.
No, I won't. No. 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 I said no. Why are you arresting me? Why are you trying to arrest me? You're hurting my face. No.
Stop resisting.
No, I'm not gonna stop resisting. Get off me. Get off me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything to be handcuffed.
Stop.
Let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me. I didn't do anything to be arrested. Let go of me.
Good. You got one?
You're hurting my face. You're hurting my face.
All right, stop resisting.
You're hurting my face.
I got her legs.
You're hurting my face. Let go. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me. Nigga Sean Edwards, let go of me. Let go of me.
Brittany, we don't have to do this. Just give us your other hand. Just give us your other hand,
Stop.
Brittany, please.
Stop.
Brittany, just give us the other hand. We can stop this right now.
Because you don't have a reason to arrest me.
Yes, we do.
No, you
Brittany,
don't.
we're trespassing.
I was not trespassing. I grabbed
Give me
my
your other
stuff.
hand. Give us your other hand.
Stop doing that. I was grabbing my stuff and that was it. All I did was grab my stuff.
No, I'm picking up my money.
Why are you arresting me when I was just grabbing my stuff? That's not fair for you to arrest me.
Here's her bag, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So why are you arresting me? Let go of me. What's your name? Can you get my glasses, please?
Hold on.
Why am I being arrested though? Y'all came up to me for no reason. I was already on the sidewalk grabbing my stuff. So why'd you arrest me? For what reason? I didn't trespass. I did not even trespass. You approached me. I told you you could not detain me.
Okay, Brittany.
Nah, it's unfair. It's unfair.
Okay.
I did not do anything to be arrested.
I understand. Take a deep breath and we will explain everything to you the second we can, okay? Take a deep
Look,
breath.
I came over here to get my stuff,
Okay.
and that was it. So why am I being arrested?
He's gonna explain it to you. Just take a deep breath so we can talk.
Man, all day. Let me tell you, all day, my son's ex-son, my son's
Brittany.
non-father has been after me all day long.
Okay.
I didn't do anything to be arrested. Nothing whatsoever. I grabbed my stuff and that was it.
Search?
I don't have any weapons on me whatsoever.
I'll hold them.
So what are you trying to arrest me for?
Why did you run?
Because you want to arrest me. For what
did you run?
reason? You can't detain me for nothing. I don't have to actually be in front of you. I'm a CIA agent. I don't have to actually be in front of you. If I'm not being arrested for anything, you chose to arrest me for absolutely nothing. So when you wanted to talk to me, I walked off because I'm allowed to walk off. You can't just arrest me without a restraining order or something of that nature. I did not do anything whatsoever.
You were trying to gain access into the
I
building.
wasn't. No, actually, I was not trying to get access to the building. I was already walking off.
All right.
Yeah, you came over the fence.
Yeah, because I
But you saw us and started
No.
running after.
No. Can I explain?
You can.
Look.
I'm gonna let you explain. I can't do it here.
Okay, that's fine. But you need to see. No, you need to see what I grabbed. All I had was my son's thing. It's unfair to arrest me. I did not trespass whatsoever. I grabbed my stuff and I left. That was it. And you decided to stop me.
It's very hard to deal with what we're saying if you're screaming.
It's unfair to be stopped like that. I was already walking off. I grabbed my stuff, and you said, "No, you gotta go. You're gonna be arrested." For what though?
Okay.
And so you started chasing me. I don't have to stop and answer any questions without any kind of warrant.
That's everything. Let's go. What are you looking for?
Come on, yo. Y'all just want to arrest me every time I end up busting up near Sean Edwards. Y'all want to arrest me off the.
I wanted the
Nah,
car.
I want my stuff. I want to see my stuff. You can put back in the back. I want to see my stuff.
Remy, my handcuffs are like by that area too. If you want.
This is ridiculous. Like, I've never had this much trouble with the
right in
police,
front of the
except for
building
now
I
with
called
niggas
to.
Sean Edwards. The niggas been stalking me everywhere. All I did was grab my stuff and that was it. And yet, all of a sudden, I'm grabbing my stuff, no problem, no noise, and yet y'all are arresting me already. For what?
I can hear you screaming so loud.
My apologies, I'm not trying to scream at you, but I'm really upset because I didn't have a reason to have to go to this.
Don't be upset. Just take a deep breath and we'll handle it all. Stop screaming.
No, you're taking me into custody.
Yes, you are.
I have things to do. No, but you just sat there and arrested me for no reason.
I didn't arrest you. Was I here?
No, you were not here.
So then stop
however,
saying I arrested
he
you.
didn't have a reason to arrest me. You did not have a reason to arrest me whatsoever.
All right, look, we got your bag. Come on.
Come on, Brittany.
We need to walk.
This is fucking ridiculous, yo. I came to grab something and that was it. Man, I'm so tired of this. They're trying to play this game all the fucking time. I was minding my fucking business, grabbing my shit, and then this happens. No, man, this is unfair. Every time I bust some shit up about him, as a CIA agent, y'all end up coming for me on some dumb shit. Yo, this is out of line. Every fucking time I do something. Every fucking time. Now you're gonna sit here and take me into custody for fucking what? Yo, grabbing my stuff. I grabbed something off of the porch and that was it. You know you arrested me for no reason, man. You know you drove me before, but I've never had any problems with you like that.
I know we don't, Brittany.
Why did you do that though?
Why did you run away while we're trying to talk to you?
Because I don't have to stop and do that shit. I can see when you want to sit there and arrest somebody. I didn't have to sit there and stop and talk to you though.
Yeah, you do though, Brittany.
For what reason? You have to arrest me today.
Because you're under investigation. You were in that area where you're not supposed to be.
Investigation for what?
You're not supposed to be in that area. You don't live there.
Oh, I'm grabbing something. You don't know where I live or what properties I own. You don't have any clue as to what properties I own, so why would you arrest me for grabbing my stuff? All I was grabbing was a freaking beach well that belongs to me. So why would you arrest me for that? It's just the fact that I told my nigga Sean Edwards to play a little rollout game all weekend. And because I got so hot on this, now you want to arrest me. And you already know that I'm a CIA. You see that in my file. So why are you taking me to jail for?
If you were a CIA, you wouldn't run. You wouldn't run for the
No,
police.
actually, if I'm a CIA agent, I know my actual
running
laws.
from the
I don't
police.
have to answer any questions. You didn't have a restraining order. You had no reason to arrest me. So just calling me out, I don't have to stop for you. I can continue walking just fine, and you don't have the right to actually run after me. You saw me on the sidewalk walking off with my own property. You don't know what the penalty for assault on an actual CIA agent is? Because I have a clue that you're going to actually find out. Anything to get me down here, what you really want to do is get me in here. That's what you really want to do. You bitches just mad because I don't want to turn no over like you get everybody else to put on over. So since I won't give you no you want to arrest me for everything that you can't arrest me on, right? Sean Edwards been playing that game in the homeless shelter all the goddamn time. Any motherfucker that he wants to rape, he rapes. And the moment that I will let him do whatever he wants to do to me or anybody else, then y'all want to come for me, right? You got a whole nigga walking around with a fake badge. Y'all play way too much games. Y'all have nothing better to do whatsoever. Man, get your hands off me.
Come on.
Get your hands off me. Back up. I can do it myself. I can walk without you.
You're not gonna walk
I don't
without
trust
me.
you and I don't like you.
Brittany,
I don't trust you and I don't like you.
Brittany,
Get your hands off
grab
me.
it.
You can grab me, but get the off my hands. Get the off my hands. Get the off me. I don't want the on me. Don't touch me.
Come on.
Get your hands off me. Get the off me. I can walk without him.
Brittany,
I can walk without
it's a short walk. It's a short walk.
Get his hands off me.
We're just gonna
get the hands off me. Get the hands off me.
I got it.
You always playing that little roll out face off game so you can get away with it. Because that's a nigga Sean Edwards acting like he had a new suit for the day.
Do me a favor. Stare at this wall. Look at the wall. Look at the wall. Stare at the wall. All right.
No, I don't want him dealing with me.
I'm not touching you.
I don't want him dealing
Just
with me.
face the wall. You just gotta face the wall.
Tell me to back up.
Face the wall.
Because that ain't who he says he is. That's nigga Sean Edwards
That's right.
playing around.
That's right. Just face the wall.
Just a new fucking face.
Just face the wall. Stay like that. Hang on. Stay there.
I hear you.
You gotta face the wall. Face the wall.
You need to do proper fingerprints on that. That ain't the person that's actually supposed to be in that skin. That ain't nothing but a roll out terrorist here. You need to only reason why you arrested me today is because you knew I busted this shit up.
I'm gonna uncuff you, and then I want you to put that hand on the wall for me, okay?
Edwards always walking around acting like you own some shit. You know, that didn't want you to own motherfucking shit. No, that ain't who he says he is. That ain't no Garcia. That ain't plays that game down in the homeless shelters all the time. He just gets a new face all the time. That ain't nothing but the fake wannabe P. Diddy.
Put that
In a
hand on the
new
wall.
fucking suit, trying to escape a death penalty. No, you're the one who's gonna have a death penalty. Keep talking with your mouth closed if you want to. Play a lot of games, little Sharon Edwards. You really mad about getting busted up, huh? For all that rape and shit?
Have a seat, please.
No, I ain't no have a seat, please. I ain't having a seat yet.
Sit down first.
Why the fuck haven't they ran your prints properly? Near Sharon Edwards? Why haven't they ran your prints? No, goddamn well, that ain't your face, little fucking desert storm. You wanna act like you ain't been sex trafficking Dallas Phoenix? You wanna act like you ain't been sex trafficking Dallas Phoenix? You wanna keep playing that game?
Scared to the bench.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, battery of an officer, and criminal trespassing. Be sure to subscribe for more never-before-seen arrest footage.